Hey, welcome back. Okay, we're going to make some mermaid portraits today. We're going to put them into this frame. And if you're wondering what this empty frame currently is and where it has come from, this actually was included in the, oh man, what's the name of this set? Some big long convoluted name. This one, it's on it. 100 Years of Disney Animation Icons, which I've already built, and I've done the first 12 portraits, but there are actually 72 different portraits I think you can do. But the instructions for them at the time of this video are not currently available online. So I'm having a go at figuring out how to do Little Mermaid ones all on my own. So wish me the best of luck. Okay, we're going to have this light blue plate. So we do have plate options, but this is going to be our background for this. And we're going to do two of them today. We're going to do one for the original cartoon version of The Little Mermaid and one for the brand new live action Ariel from The Little Mermaid from the 2023 version. And I just went and found my little micro dolls of this just so we had like a little visual to go with this. Let's start with the original. Let's start with the cartoon version of Ariel first. And there's actually a picture of what this looks like in the instruction book, but no instructions as per yet. So still looking out for them online. So but at the moment I'm just going to make it up, which it shouldn't be too hard, but I'm not terribly great at this sort of stuff. There's more layers. It's not just flat. So some of these are like 3 layers. So I'm going to do the best that I can. Oh, it's just doing the best we can. So red hair, this is going to be the base layer. Red hair that goes around the side. Poor old Ariel. These micro dolls are very top heavy. They don't like staying up. So the light nougat as the flesh tone. Looks so dodgy. Have a little top on. Okay. And we've got the tail in turquoise, but then the tip of the tail is in lime green. So it's really cute because the bottom part is like it's a darker version or darker part of the tail because it's in shadow or further down. So there are actually little pink hearts to make the clamshells for her bikini top. I'm curious about this because her top has only ever been like purple ever. So but we don't have those hearts in purple, but they should be purple. Anyway, pink looks fine. They should be purple. Pink looks fine. So this is what I think it would look like on the 2 layers. I think that looks pretty cute though. So we've got an icon now. We've got a beautiful little portrait of the cartoon version of The Little Mermaid. And I've just used pieces here that came in the set. So you can definitely make this out of what you have in this actual set. And I'm trying to make these quarter pie pieces actually sit straight because otherwise they're going to bug me. There we go. That's okay. That's okay. All right, now let's have a go at the live action version. Now this, we're going to go, look, we're going to use the same design, but color-wise, obviously she needs a different skin tone. I really wish that I could do a different hair color for her, but there's like no dark red quarter pie tile pieces, which we really need for this. So I'm going to just make it red because it's like, you're going to still recognize who she's supposed to be if we do it in red. But yeah, the dark red would have been much better, but we have to use pieces that actually exist in Lego at the moment. So red hair going in, exactly the same base layer as for the cartoon version of The Little Mermaid. Get the, oh gosh, I don't think we can have these two built together out of the pieces that are actually included in the set. I've had to pull some 2x1 plates out of my own collection. And now we have the medium nougat for the skin tone. The set does not come with those jumper stud 2x1 tile pieces there that we have in the middle, so I've grabbed them from my collection. Now for her tail, we're actually going to use these printed pieces, which came from, because I just want to mix this up a bit. These are actually from a dots bracelet from the Cosmic Wonder dots bracelet, and they're just perfect because she's got little colours and spangles and sparkles and iridescent bits on her tail, so this just makes it extra pretty and gives it extra dimension too. So using this one with the star here on the corner, and then let's give her a bikini top. Going to use these purple pieces because we don't have purple hearts. It would be nice if I had like a gradient color that I could go through for the top, but I can't, so I won't. And her hair, doing the same thing along the top as we did initially, and then we just need some medium nougat pieces for her face, for her head, And then just one more thing, because there's this little exposed stud down the bottom in the turquoise piece, I want to put another one of these printed pieces on here, and I reckon it won't look too silly. What angle do I want this to go on? I can actually just turn this in place. I don't know about like that. Like, yeah, like this. That actually adds some movement, like makes the tail look as though it's in motion, because mermaid tails are very sinuous and gorgeous. So, I really like that. The printed tiles on the bottom give added dimension. Thank you very much to the Dots theme for providing them for this. So, we are going to put this one maybe... Yeah, let's put this one into our little portrait holder, to our little picture frame. And then we're going to bling the frame up just a little bit, just with a little bit of added mermaidy touch. So first up, we're going to get rid of the Mickey Mouse ears from the top. If we can just get Ariel to stand up properly. Mickey Mouse ears, be gone. So you can see there's actually a little hangy hook up there, so you can choose to hang this if you want. In the corners, I am using satin trans brown pieces is what they're called on Bricklink, but they're almost like a black see-through base with an like blue opalescent over the top, so they give like a shimmer. And because the new Little Mermaid version, the live action, is a lot kind of darker in all of its coloring, I think this looks really cute to make the corners of the frame just look a little bit more mystical. And I don't want to really see that bit at the top, so we can cover this with a little bit of coral, little bit of turquoise coral to match her tail. And to actually be able to attach it up here, I'm going to need one stud, maybe two studs, because it has to go over that rounded frame bit. So this is kind of sticking out a bit, but it doesn't matter because I like it. It gives an extra three-dimensional element. And then adding a starfish onto here, which actually is included in the set. And we could put a little matching one just to kind of balance it out down here in the corner too. It's not too busy. There aren't too many extra elements on the portrait, but there are just enough to give it a bit of texture and dimension and added pretty. I really like this. So if you were struggling, no, I'm struggling. I'm going to start working my way through the princesses and the villains and these portraits over the weeks, because they're just really super fun. And then I can display a different one on my desk every week. But now I've got two versions of the Little Mermaid. How to build the Little Mermaid both ways, both cartoon version and in the live action version. This is, yeah, super cool. Love my new display. Okay, I just can't tell you how much I like this set. So much fun to muck about with. All right, I will be back with more videos and a better ability to speak, I'm sure, very, very soon. So subscribe, do all the things, leave me in comments what you want me to put in the frame next, maybe, and I'll be back here soon. I'll see you then. Bye.